morning, students. Welcome to online classes. We are talking about chemical properties of haloarenes, and I have already told you in my previous class about nitration, sulfonation, and halogenation reactions. Today we will explain about Friedel-Crafts reaction of expressed by haloarenes. When haloarenes taking place in chemical reaction with CH3Cl, then ortho or para derivatives are obtained. This reaction is named reaction. Such reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Such as when we use CH3Cl as a reagent, then orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene, mixture of ortho and parachlorotoluenes are obtained, as well as byproduct HCl is obtained, which is not a matter to express. Similarly, if other functional group such as CH3COCl reacts with chlorobenzene, then similarly reactions held such as CH3COCl. If CH3COCl means ethanoyl chloride is taken as a reagent, then compound chloroacetophenone. This such compound is called as chloroacetophenone, orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone. Orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone occurs in chemical reaction. Such reaction is expressed in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Such catalyst was first used by Friedel-Crafts. So such reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts reaction. As I think so, only used catalyst is important in anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 is called as Lewis acid. So it is also one of the question that in Friedel-Crafts reaction, which catalyst is used? The answer is Lewis acid, AlCl3, and because AlCl3 is used as a catalyst. Now we will talk about action with metals of haloarenes. Action with metal of haloarenes. This reaction is already expressed in my previous class. If haloarene is treated with sodium, action with sodium. Sodium is dissolved in ether or acetone, suitable organic solvent, and such etheretical solution of sodium, when treated with haloarene, two rings takes place in addition, which the product is called as such product is called as diphenyl compound. diphenyl compound is obtained, and it was first expressed by Fittig, Fittig, Fittig. So such reaction is called as Fittig's reaction. When haloarenes are treated with ethertical solution of sodium, then diphenyl compound is obtained. Such reaction was first held by Fittig, so called Fittig's reaction. Any problem? Next one, action with Mg. Next metal. When we takes place Mg as a reagent and reaction held between haloarenes and magnesium. Magnesium dissolved in suitable solvent like acetone. Then addition reaction dissolved in acetone. Then addition reaction expressed by haloarene and the product ARMGX, such as C6H5MgCl. It is called as C6H5 phenyl magnesium chloride. It is an adduct, addition product. An adduct phenyl magnesium chloride. Phenyl magnesium chloride is obtained. Its such reaction is called as Grignard's reaction. Most important reaction of chemistry, because Grignard reagent and obtained product is phenyl magnesium chloride is called as Grignard's reagent, and such reaction is called as Grignard's reaction. Grignard reagent is the most important compound in organic chemistry, because various organic compounds, that is aliphatic or aromatic, both the compounds are obtained with the help of Grignard's reagent. Phenyl magnesium chloride is called as Grignard's reagent. Any problem? As I think so, that what is Grignard's reaction? If such question is asked by a student, then they can always explain that when magnesium is treated with haloarenes, adducts are obtained. Magnesium is dissolved in organic solvent, always for chemical reaction. Adducts means addition products are obtained, such they are called as RMGX or ARMGX. And such reaction is called as Grignard's reaction. Any problem? Now we are talking about further reactions and various questions. Because I have already explained that when chlorobenzene is treated with CH3Cl, then when CH3Cl is treated with sodium, then corresponding alkane, ethane is obtained. Such reaction is called as Burdi reaction. And if one is the aromatic and another is the aliphatic halide, then adduct of aryl and alkyl are obtained. Such reaction is called as Burdi-Fittig reaction. It is already explained in my previous class. And now the topic is over, and further we will explain about next topic. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.